Hey everyone, Yvette St. here. I am a licensing artist. I've been working in the industry for over 20 years. And why I decided to run this course was so that I can teach other aspiring artists who want to license their artwork how to monetize on their art in building full collections by focusing on main pieces of art that could be wall decor or isolated images for specific products like a cushion or maybe a stationery item, a notebook, and then having complementary patterns that come together with that collection is very appetizing for manufacturers and brands out there. I think a lot of artists don't get into collection building because maybe they're intimidated by using Photoshop or they don't know how to use the program. So this is why I designed this course, is to focus in on the tools that you're going to need to know. And I'm really going to break it down into tutorials that are step-by-step. And you're going to watch how I build these collections, and you're going to have to apply it to your own artwork, which is beautiful because I'm not teaching you how to paint in this course. I'm teaching you on how to take the artwork that you've created and how to build a collection with it. I'm going to focus in on specific tools that I use. There's only a handful. And by practicing, and you're going to get a lot of it throughout these tutorials, you're going to get an understanding of how these tools work. Photoshop has come a long way. It's actually a little more user-friendly now. These tools have evolved to be really just more technical. So there's so many neat tricks that I'm going to teach you. So I can't wait to get started. I'm super excited. And let me give you some tips on how to create your artwork so you can start layering, pulling images, building designs and patterns within this amazing course.